Morning children, welcome to online class of St. Joseph Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. Today we are going to do part 2 section of Roman numerals, chapter 3, class 3rd, Maths Junior book. And in this section we are going to solve the exercise which are given in your book. So let's start it. Here in exercise 3A children, you have to write the number shown by the Roman numerals. Now the first alphabet is I. This is equal to 1. Then V, it is equal to 5. Then X, it is equal to 10. L is equal to 50. C is equal to 100. D is equal to 500 and M is equal to 1000. So these are the values of this Roman numerals. Now B part, I, 2 times it is written. So that is 2. I, this is written 3 times. This is 3. Now double X, that is 10 plus 10. X, because value of X is 10. So 2 times it is written. 10 plus 10 is 20. Now the next one, triple X is written. So that is 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. Now C, now 2 times C is written. So 1C is equal to 100. So 2C equal to 100 plus 100, that is 200. And 3C is equal to 300. Now next C part, IV, that means 4. It is equal to 4. As V is the larger number towards right. And the smaller number alphabet is written on the left, that is I, which is equal to 1. So we will subtract it as it is written on the left hand side. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So IV is equal to 4. Same way here, IX, it is equal to 9. Now XIV, between this two numbers, that is X, that is 10, and V, that is 5. And in between this is I, which is equal to 1. A smaller number. So what you are going to do, you will add up the number X and V, and then you will subtract I with it, that is 1. So the X value is 10. 10 plus V, that is 5. So 10 plus 5 will be 15. 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. Then XIX, same way here, 20 minus 1 will be 19. So value of XIX is equal to 19. Double XIV, or you can simply say it is 20. XX is 20 and IV is 4. So 20 plus 4 is 24. Then double XIX, that means 29. IX value is 9. So double X, and it is towards the right hand side. Smaller number is towards the right hand side, or alphabet is on the right hand side. So you will add up. So XX, that is 20 and IX is 9. So 20 plus 9 is 29. Now D part, VI is equal to 6, VII is equal to 7, V triple I is equal to 8, XI is equal to 11, XII is equal to 12, XIII is equal to 13, XVI is equal to 16, XXI is equal to 21, and XXV is equal to 25. Now here you have to write in Roman numerals, children. Hindu Arabic numbers are given to you. You have to write in Roman numerals. Now see the A part. 3 you will write triple I. 4 you will write IV. 1 you will write as I. 2 you will write II. 2 times. 9 is equal to, or it is equal to IX. 10 simply X. 11 XI. 15 is XV. 13 is X triple I. 16 is XVI. Now see the B part. 7 you will write V 2 times I. Then 5 you will write simply V. 8 you will write V and triple I. 14 you will write XIV. 18 you will write XV triple I. 19 XIX. 12 X double I or 2 times I you will write. 6 VI. 17 XV 2 times I. And 20 is double X. Now children, you have to write 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. Earlier also you have written in copy. Here also you have to write it again. So 1 means I, 2 times I means 2, 3 times I means 3. After 3 times you will not repeat the same alphabet again in Roman numerals. So next one will be IV. That means V means 5. From 5 we will take I. That means 1. So it will be equal to 4. Then V means 5. V I. Now that means here you will add it because 5 plus 1, that is 6. Because I is the smaller number, is a smaller alphabet is towards right side of the greater number. Then VII is equal to 7. V triple I is equal to 8. IX, that means remove 1 from 10, equal to 9. So the IX value is 9 and X value is 10. Then XI, 11. Now you will repeat it again, all the alphabets, which is given earlier, that 1 to 9, that you will repeat it. XI means 11, x2 times I means 12, x3 times I means 13, xiv, that is 14, xv is 15, xvi is equal to 16, xvii is equal to 17, xv triple I is 18, xix is 19. Now here after 19 you have to repeat xx, that is 20. 10 plus 10, that is 20. Now the next, children, you have to write down the time. Here the clock is given to you. The first one is given as an example. So you have to mention what the time it is saying. The first clock, it is 2 o'clock. In second one, it is 8 o'clock. The smaller needle is, or the hour needle is towards 8. And the bigger one, minute needle is towards 12. So it is 8 o'clock. Now next is 3:30. Half past 3. After means 3, this hour hand is there, but it is between 3 and 4, so it is 3 o'clock, and the minute hand is towards 6, so it is 3:30. Next is 10:30. The hour hand is between 10 and 11, so it is 10 o'clock, and minute hand is towards 6, and the last one is 4:30. Now children, it's a time for homework. You have to do the review worksheet 1, which is given on page number 25. Yourself you have to do it. It is based on the chapter 1, 2 and 3. That is review of up to 999, 3-digit numbers, then 4-digit numbers, and then Roman numerals. Children, in today's module we have solved the exercise based on Roman numerals. I hope you have understood with this. Thank you.